And this is Mohammed Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. And in this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, in a front plane, I will draw this L shape. And in this L shape, we can see this vertical dimension has 31.75 unit and this horizontal dimension has 12.7 unit. And for this vertical dimension, we need to first find this horizontal and this vertical dimension. For finding this vertical dimension, we can see these shapes are like square. So this vertical dimension will be 31.75 minus 6.35 divided by 2, and then we will minus this extra portion from here. Then we have this horizontal shape and it has a dimension of 31.75. Then I will close the shape. Then I will extrude boss. Then I will extrude boss it to 31.75 unit. So select the front plane, now sketch, now select line and draw a vertical line, and this vertical line has a dimension of 31.75 unit. After that, draw a horizontal line, and this horizontal line has a dimension of 12.7 unit. Now it's time for drawing the another vertical line, and for drawing this vertical line, first of all 31.75 unit minus, now give a bracket, 31.75 unit minus 6.35. Now close the bracket. Now divide by 2, so it will give 19.05 unit. Now we need to give this horizontal dimension, and this horizontal dimension has a dimension of 31.75 unit. Now close the shape. Okay, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 31.75 unit. Now select it from the mid plane. Now press OK. So after that, we can see we have a rectangular extrude cut in here. And for drawing this rectangular extrude cut, first of all I will draw a center line here, and this center line has a dimension of 31.75 minus 12.7. Then I will use the offset entries to offset this shape, and this total offset will be 6.35. Then I will extrude cut here. Okay, so I'm selecting this face. Now sketch, now normal to it, and after that select the center line option, and here from the center line option place the center line here and draw a center line of 31.75 minus 12.7 unit, so it will be 19.05. so after that select this line and draw a offset line, and this offset line has a total dimension of 6.35. so the half dimension will be 6.35 divided by 2 unit. So make sure to check this box. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, and now extrude cut. Now press OK. Now it's time for our this top face extrude cut, and for extrude cutting this we have a rectangle of 19.05 by 12.7. then I will extrude cut it to 6.35 unit. For doing this, I will first select this face. Now so first select this face, now sketch, now normal to it, now select the center rectangle. So as the center rectangle will be at center, so I am hovering the mouse here, and also from this mid line hovering mouse, so we can see the dotted line, and after this dotted line coincident, then draw the center rectangle, and now vertical dimension is to 19.05 unit, and the horizontal dimension will be 12.7 unit. So in this way you don't need to dimension it, it will dimension automatically from the center. So press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, and now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 6.35 unit. So extrude cutting it to 6.35 unit. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have drawn out 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.